How to fix Shopee F00 error. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Shopee F00 error. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're connected to a good Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi is a bit weak, then you can simply switch to mobile data and that will fix the issue. If the issue is still there, you're going to head over to settings and then go to general. Here, you gotta search for iPhone storage and then search for the Shopee application over here. For example, if you open the Shopee application, you'll be able to see these options over here, offload app and delete app. So you're gonna head over, click on offload app, which will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Click on offload app, and then once the application is offloaded, you gotta reinstall the Shopee application and that will fix your issue. So that is how you can fix Shopee F00 error. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.